Have you noticed your transmission slipping lately, or has your vehicle suddenly lost power and entered a restricted limp mode while you were out on the road? If so, you could be facing a P281F trouble code, which indicates a general malfunction with the transmission pressure control solenoid J. Your automatic transmission relies on a complex system of solenoids to direct hydraulic fluid to the right clutches and bands at the exact right millisecond for a smooth gear change. When solenoid J fails to operate correctly, the powertrain control module loses its ability to manage that pressure, which results in the rough driving experience you are feeling. You will almost certainly see the check engine light turn on, and you might experience the transmission catching in gear or even overheating if you continue to drive long distances. Some drivers even report symptoms that feel like an engine misfire because the car is struggling so hard to find the right gear ratio for your current speed. The most common cause for this specific malfunction is often as simple as dirty or contaminated transmission fluid that has not been changed in many miles. Over time, metal shavings and debris can clog the internal filter or block the tiny hydraulic passages inside the valve body, which prevents the solenoid from doing its job. Other potential causes include a defective transmission pump or damaged wiring and connectors that have become corroded from salt and moisture. Your first step in troubleshooting should always be to pull the dipstick and check the level and color of your transmission fluid, because if it looks dark or smells burnt, a fresh fluid and filter change might solve the entire problem. If the fluid is clean, then you will need to perform a detailed visual inspection of the wiring harness and the connectors leading to the transmission to look for bent pins or loose connections. Using a digital multimeter, you can perform continuity checks to ensure the circuit is not open or shorted to ground, but always make sure the power is off before testing to protect the sensitive electronics. While some of these repairs are straightforward, replacing a valve body or an internal solenoid is a big job that requires specialized tools and a clean environment. If the slipping persists or the car becomes difficult to control, you should take it to a professional transmission shop immediately to avoid a very expensive total rebuild. Taking care of your transmission fluid and addressing these codes early is the best way to ensure your vehicle lasts for another 100,000 miles.